This flushed me and got everything all out of my tummy. All the waste built up, bad fats, toxins, making my belly big. Like I do this when I had to go to a party and my tummy was all down. So this is it. If you want to try this recipe, go ahead and do so, most especially if you have somewhere to go and you want your body all in shape, your tummy down. Like very quickly, let me share with you the recipe before I tell you the benefits. So the first thing you need is a quarter size of pineapple. Yeah, pineapple contains bromelain, which helps to facilitate fast fat burning. It will cleanse your tummy, flush you out, and have you losing that belly fat so fast. So this is a quarter size of pineapple. Peel and slice up and set that aside. Very powerful. The next thing I add is ginger, a thumb size of it, a thick thumb size of ginger, because this heats up your system. Let me give you a secret. Let me tell you a secret, guys. You need thermogenic foods to help you burn fat so fast, and ginger is it, guys. Is it? Ginger is very powerful. It will heat up your system and have you burning your fat so fast. That is a secret I'm telling you. If you notice, I eat a lot of ginger because of that said benefit. So this is it. Wash your ginger, slice up, and add in the pineapple. The next thing you want to do is to get a blender. We are blending this up to make it powerful. Just these two ingredients are so powerful. Plus I'll be sharing with you another ingredient that will just make this take this to the next level. So what you want to do is to add in half a cup of water in your quarter size of pineapple and thumb size of ginger. This is it in your blender. Go ahead and have this blended to get a smoothie out of it. Make sure it is well blended, because you'll be eating it up, so you don't want chunks in your mouth. So this is it, well blended. Make sure it is smooth and you set that aside. So that is it. Set that aside. This is the very powerful ingredient. You are adding those other powerful ingredients in, and watch how I come up with this to get that benefit I'm talking about. So this is half a cabbage. We all know cruciferous vegetables are very good at promoting fast fat burning, cleansing your system, flushing toxins out, waste, like leaving your system so clean from the inside. And cabbage is a very powerful cruciferous vegetable. So this is your half a cabbage. Wash, slice, and put it in your pot. So the next thing you want to do is to add 2 cups of water in your pot. So that is 2 cups of water I just added. Go ahead and take this to your stove and have this steam up. You are not boiling, you are not cooking for long, you are steaming this up, because it needs to be half kind of cooked but not fully cooked. So steam it up. Yeah, so just put it, once you see it bubbling, I'll not tell you minutes depending on your stove. Once you see it bubbling, know it is steamed up. Yeah, you take off your pot, turn off your stove. So allow this to cool down a little bit so you can have it in your blender. So this is it, kind of cool down, not cold, but cool down, that you can have it in your blender. Yeah, so this is it. I'm blending this up now. So put this in your blender. So I take out the water from there, and I just like blend the cabbage up this way, or you can add in half a cup of water just to have it blended so fast, depending on the durability of your blender. But I can blend it so fast this way. But if your blender needs water, just add half a cup of water to have you blend the cabbage. So blend till you get it smooth and nice, a smooth nice paste. Go ahead and transfer it again in the pot. Yeah, so transfer in the pot and turn up your heat just to have this warmed up, because it is kind of a warm puree you're to have. So I don't want it cool, so I turn on I turn on my stove just to have it heat up a little bit at low heat, because it is already okay, just to have it heat up. So once you have it heat up, and yeah, nice and heat up, not really hot, like the temperature you are good at eating, turn off your stove. So once you turn off your stove, this is when you want to go ahead and add in the blended pineapple and ginger. Guys, when I tell you this will flush you out real good, get me like 100%. This will flush your tummy out real good. Plus, you want to follow the steps on how to consume this, because if you do it the wrong way, you will be wasting your time. That is by avoid eating any kinds of foods, and this is just what you're having for that day. So this will give you 2 bowls. You divide this in 2 portions. So have your bowl and divide this in 2 portions. Yeah, you eat half of it as your lunch and half of it as your dinner time. At dinner time, last thing at bedtime. So you can have this in the morning, that is fine, but make sure the remaining is at bedtime. This is just what you're eating for the day, nothing else. That is why it is a puree to fill you up, not a juice or a smoothie that might have you hungry. This is to fill you up while burning that fat. I hope you get it. So this way you will not feel like eating other things, because this will fill you up and be doing the job for you. That is the secret. Yeah. Plus, during the day, this is what will support this for you. Make sure you're drinking water, enough water. Just keep hydrating and having your system with enough water to help with the flushing and the fat burning, because water equally is a very powerful flush to cleanse your system up, promote the breakdown of fat build-up and food waste in your tummy, flushing you of toxins as well. Like, water is it. Or you can flavor this water as well. I've shared so many recipes with flavored water. I add lemon, different fruits. You can go ahead and try any of those my recipes if you are an old subscriber here, or just get your 2 liters, squeeze in some lemon juice in it, have it for that day, and trust me, when I say just do this for like 3 days, you will lose calories and your belly fat will be all gone. This is not a joke. This is a big secret I'm sharing with you. Like, go ahead and pass this with your friends and family. This is me, Risa. No chunky fat, as I used to be so big before. I used to be really big with arms, belly. Everywhere was big. And trust me, these recipes, they do wonders for me. I do this most especially when I have a party to attend and I want to trim down so fast, like to have my belly to be down and fit my clothes so well. This is the recipe I do, and I get the results. Like, people are wowed. They are like, wow, how you look so good, your tummy is all down. Like, just go ahead and try this recipe. Do it for like 3 days. Depending on the size of your tummy, you can stretch to a week and you will come back with flowers for me. Yeah, I'm waiting for my flowers. So go ahead and try this. Make sure you pass on the recipe with your family and friends, and come back and tell me, and I'll see you again in my next video. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and bye.